Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So ChatGPT has released a new study mode for students or anyone who is looking to learn something new. They have released this mode to all users for free. Mean anyone who has ChatGPT account can access this mode for free. So how it is different from normal mode? See, instead of throwing out direct answer on your face in normal mode, it will now guide you step by step through your math homework or question related to any topic. So how to get this mode? Just open ChatGPT and log in with your ChatGPT account and then start new chat and select study and learn mode and you are good to go. You can ask any question related to your homework, research or any new topic you want to learn and it will guide you step by step throughout the process. And that's it for this video. If you like this information, like and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.